and the freedom, you guys. This trip was freedom. Hey, also, while I've got you guys right here, I really want to say thank you to Jorgensen's Power Sports in Richfield, GHsport.com, Red Rock Repair, Hindenburg Customs, and a huge shout out to Peak Refuel. They sent us some food to take on this trip with us, and it was delicious. Peak Refuel, you guys, get you some of that. Also, OpenRoad4WheelDrive.com, OpenRoad4WD.com. Thanks to them, we had plenty of shade, plenty of shelter from the awning, and you guys, the trip was amazing. So thank you to those who support the channel, and thanks for all your likes. Thanks for subscribing, and let's ride! I'm gonna start this video series with this clip right here. This is gonna be a quick one take. Check it out. There is mud and dirt on there from Montana. There's mud and dirt on there from Wyoming and Idaho and Utah. And I'm gonna show you guys the whole entire trip. The good, the bad, and the ugly. But you guys, what an amazing trip. You're gonna have to watch the whole series to see if we actually made it to Glacier National Park or not. But if you saw some of the lives and some of the Facebooks and Instagrams and all of that, maybe you already know. So don't spoil it for the rest of them in the comments. But anyway, can you ride a side-by-side pulling a trailer from your driveway in central Utah to Glacier National Park in Montana and back? Wow, you guys. That's all I have to say. Wow. We had some awesome trail rides. We had a little bit of highway. We had some amazing campsites. We met some of the most amazing people along the way. You know, when you get out and you do this kind of a thing, there are people out there that that will help and support and let you borrow their tools. Just some amazing people out there, you guys. So I also want to say, if you guys have a side-by-side, if you have a trailer, whatever it is, get out and explore. Go check things out. Just go. We have some amazing freedoms in this country, and we have the ability to do this. I really hope you guys will enjoy this video series that I'm gonna put together. Videos are gonna start coming out this week. It is I think the third week in September, and well, today's September 17th and it's day 17. I've got about 30 more miles to get to my house, and you guys, I couldn't be more happy. Just don't take our freedoms for granted, for the ability that we have to do this, and all of the access to the public land. You know, let's see. Let's go check what my mileage is really quick here. I'm gonna turn the car. I'm gonna flip this out over here, and let's see what our trip. There's the total mileage on my car. 2562. So 2562, and I reset that with 200 miles on. So 2,762 miles. 90% on dirt roads, you guys. National Forest, BLM. Don't take for granted the freedoms that we have in this country and the open spaces that we have to enjoy, and the freedom, you guys. This trip was freedom. It was amazing. Also, I got a lot of comments. A lot of people were talking about having or enjoying the ride. Some people enjoy the ride. Some people enjoy the journey. Some people enjoy the destination. Well, I'll tell you what, you guys. For the last 2 weeks, we have lived inside of a postcard. And I can honestly say this was the best of everything. The best of the journey. The best of the destination. It was incredible. So, like if you do, subscribe if you haven't. Hit that notification bell down there so that you can get these videos as they come out. I have a lot of content to share with you guys on this trip. It was amazing, and I hope you guys enjoy. So thanks for checking out Rocky Mountain Backcountry, you guys. I'm going home. I'm gonna take a long hot shower, maybe sit in the hot tub, and I'm gonna enjoy my family for the rest of the afternoon and share all of this content with them. So we'll catch you guys on the next one. Wait and see all this fun video coming up. Central Utah to Glacier National Park and back.